So this is session 2 where we are going to talk about the data elicitation. This is a very important chapter in the overall business analysis topic. The reason being is this is a very crucial process. This is a very crucial stage before anyone start writing the requirement, because this is kind of your prerequisite before even you get to the requirement. So these are the some of the techniques what we are going to learn how that works. So as we see here, the objective of this session is to learn about what elicitation is. Also, what are the techniques used during this process. The session also highlights some of the facts about who to reach out, how, and when. That means who is your subject matter expert, what questions you should be asking, and how you should be presenting it. And for each of the associated technique, you would have the pros and cons associated with that. Now, if you are having a meeting, which is a requirement meeting, how to conduct that and what are the questions you should be asking. See, asking question is not a problem. Asking right question is that issue. So that those are the things what we are going to learn about as part of this session so that you understand what exactly is needed. So toward the end of this session, you will know how to proceed with your requirement session. So the topics what we will be learning as part of it is what exactly is elicitation, which is the introduction to elicitation. Why do we use elicitation? What we do actually, and then what are the different methods involved in it? What are the techniques involved during the elicitation process?